guys. Okay, so this simulator that you're going to be using today, let me refresh it so that it looks exactly like it will when you log in. It's a bit complicated, but there's really just a few things that you need to know. So I'm going to do an example for you. London has already been done, so I'm going to skip that one. The first thing is that you can move your pin around to different locations. So I'm moving mine to Greenland. This is on the world map. Here's Greenland, and your second answer that you have to do is Northern Greenland. So I'm just going to put it in the north. Northern Greenland is not a city, so I can't search for it. It's just like a location, okay? I can kind of drag this around and see here's my city and here's the sunlight angle. And what we want to do is we want to make it show noon. So I'm going to click local noon, which is 12 o'clock. And then I want to know what the angle of the sun, like where is the sun in the sky when you're in the north of Greenland on certain days. The days you have to do are December 21st and June 21st. So I'm going to move this to June 21st. Okay, so on June 21st at noon, so I close my calendar, and if I open this one, it actually gives me the angle, sun angle. Click sun angle. Here's my angle, 33.04 degrees. You can find it here. You can also find it here. So on your paper where it says Northern Greenland on June 21st, I'm going to write 33 degrees. But now I also need to know December. So I'm going to click here and I'm going to go to December 21st. Wow, it just turned dark. What that means is that the sun doesn't rise on December 21st. So I've changed my date to December 21st and check it out. My angle now is negative 13.84 degrees. That means that my sun in northern Greenland doesn't rise. It doesn't come up above the horizon on December 21st. So on your paper, you're going to write for December 21st, negative 13.84. And then you have to do it for all these other places. So you move the map, you put the pin in Miami. You can actually, because that one is a city, you can search Miami, Florida, and it'll put it in the exact right spot. There you go, Florida, Miami. So now for Miami, I believe my calendar already says December 21st. So on December 21st, here's my angle. And then I can change it to June 21st. And look at how that angle of sunlight changes from December to June. Okay, and so you'll fill those out and you'll write them on your paper. And that's what we're doing today. Hopefully that's pretty straightforward. Remember that you can find the angle either here because you click sun angles. Make sure this box is checked. You can actually unclick some of these other ones if you want to. You can get rid of shadows. And then you can also find your angle here. Yours may not be the same as other people's depending on where you put the pin, and that's okay. It's perfectly fine.